how to log out of your Gmail account or how to log out Gmail. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Pipin Westland, and today I'll guide you on how you can log out of Gmail. Now the process itself is quite simple and easy, so let me guide through. It might be a bit tricky for you guys, so I'm here. So you want to tap on Gmail and you want to open it up. Once here, you want to tap on the profile icon that you can see at the top right corner. Now here you can see a list of accounts. Now you can either switch between your accounts. If you wish to log out from this particular account, you can switch to other account. However, if you wish to log it out, then simply tap on manage accounts on this device option at the bottom of your screen. Once you tap on profile, you can see the manage accounts on this device at the very bottom. You want to tap on it. Now here you want to tap on the particular Google account that your Gmail is linked to that you wish to log out. So once you tap on it, you'll get the option that says remove account. So you want to tap on remove account. Now that particular Google account will be removed from your device and it'll be logged out from Gmail as well. This is the only way that you can log out of Gmail. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.